welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm your favorite Auntie Titi, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And in today's video, we will be reviewing a wig from Sensationnel Butta Lace. So I have Sensationnel Butta Lace in Butta Unit 8, and this is what it looks like. It has HD lace, it's pre-plucked, it is heat safe up to 400 degrees, it has 100 premium fiber, it has a white part and it's air-to-air lace, and the color I have is Money Piece Caramel. It says the lace is virtually undetectable, blends with most skin tones, and it's a natural density hairline. This is Butta Unit 8 on me. So it has a natural wave or curl pattern to it, which I really love. I don't necessarily like the curl that I picked out, but I like this this piece right here, how it gives it the definition of the two color patterns. I like that a lot. It's not too long, it's not hot, really big head friendly. Like I couldn't even fit my head, which I thought was big in it. I couldn't fit my head in there. I had to connect the two adjustable straps together to make it fit my head. It doesn't shed. I went ahead and cut out these ends. I hated them. They were like right down here. I hated that, so I cut it off. I went ahead and laid it down with this got to be glue, and I did, you know, some baby hairs. They ain't like really baby hairs. They're like the infant baby hairs, if that makes sense. It's not all the way dramatic. I did went ahead and use my hot comb to lay down the hump that was there, but before I used my hot comb, I used my Carrot Care styling wax, applied it on the top, and then went in with my hot comb. For my lace, I use the knot eraser or the knot concealer by Perfect Line, and I have it in the color tan. When I'm editing, if I see something I use that I didn't mention, I will leave it down in the description below. So pros about it, I like this detail right here, like the, you know, the two different colors in the wig, one predominantly in the front and the rest in the back. I do love how the lace melted. You come in close so you guys can see. I love that the wig is not hot. I won't even say not extremely hot. It's not hot, period. I love the length of the wig. For some reason, I don't like long wigs. I guess I don't want to deal with the tangling and the heat. So I love wigs just about hair, maybe just a little itty bitty bit longer, not a whole lot, because then I don't know, something's crawling on my neck. And look, honey, I don't like things crawling on my neck, so I'm not a big long hair person. Brunch with the girls, I'd say Saturday dinner with the babes. I think it would be good for church. Interview, no. Every day, no, I don't think so. Museum, a date to the museum. I really love the lace on this one. And as a reminder, this is by Sensationnel and the style is Butta Unit 8, and I have it in the color Money Piece Caramel. I'm guessing this is supposed to be caramel. It doesn't look caramel to me. It looks black, or it looks like a number 4 or a number 2. So, and there's nothing wrong with that, but I thought it would be a little bit more caramel, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, so now that we got to the end of the video, I know this one was quick because it was just a fabulous wig. Oh yeah, what would I rate this wig out of 10? I give it a 9.5 because I really love the lace. So if the flyaways were not there, I'd probably give it a 10. And even if I say 9.5, I still don't like the color. So maybe if I tried a different color, I would love the color even more. But there's nothing wrong with this color. I just don't like it. I just don't like it. Me, Auntie Titi, don't like the color. But other than that, this is a great wig. This is a easy wig once you lay it down, whatever you want to lay it down. Got to be glue, edge control, whatever. You tie it up with something, blow dry it if you want to, or you know, let it sit while you do your makeup or do other things and get dressed. This is a perfect unit. It's a quick, beginner friendly unit, and it's not an everyday unit, but I mean, if you wanted to, you could make it work. Yeah, so if you got to the end of the video, I'd like to say a big old thank you to you for getting to the end of the video. And if this is content you enjoy, wig reviews, hair reviews, product reviews, or just styling the latest and greatest wigs, then please consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss next time I upload. And see you in the next one. Bye.